Today we're going to look at how easy it is to configure and order a quality Stage 1 kit. Stage 1 kits are the basis for all future modifications. Most people end up with a typical or mediocre Stage 1. It doesn't produce the power they're looking for, and they end up thinking that they need to get a Stage 2 to get the power they want. But that's the subject for another video, talking about the difference between your typical mediocre Stage 1 and a really good Stage 1. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a bagger as an example, and we're going to go to, on the website, to bagger parts, down to Stage 1 kits, and then this is going to be for a 2012 Street Glide, so we choose the Stage 1 upgrade kits for 2000 through 2016 twin cams. And when we go to that, that brings up a choice between the 587, 606, or 636 air cleaner as the base. And so what you can do is go to the report on differences between the Outlaw high flow air cleaners and the 425, which is the first one listed, is really not a performance air cleaner for the twin cam. So we look at the 587, the 606, and the 636. They all perform exceptionally well. There's really not much difference at all between the 587 and the 606 other than the cover. There's dyno charts showing the different performance of each, and the 636 is the best performer, but people don't always like the look of the 636, and of course it won't fit bikes that have lower fairings with the full-size filter. So in this instance we're going to take the 606, choose the 606 as the basis for this Stage 1 upgrade. So we click on the 606 right here. First thing we're going to do is choose the exhaust. The fact is that exhaust is such a personal thing. You can go look at the report we have on myths and facts about Harley exhaust. The three factors that are important are look, sound, and performance. Look is subjective, sound is subjective. Performance, the best performance is going to be from the factory exhaust slip-ons with the baffles removed and the Thunder Torque inserts installed. It's a good, deep, throaty sound. It's loud, so if you don't like loud, that's not the one to get. Any of the slip-ons or full exhaust systems that we have listed will work fine also. But in this instance, we're going to go ahead and use the Thunder Torque inserts with the stock exhaust. So we just click right there, and because we have dual exhausts, we're going to choose the Thunder Torque inserts 258s dual mufflers. We don't have a 2-into-1, so we choose that right there. The next step is throttle by wire or cable operated. It's a 2012 Street Glide, which has throttle by wire, so we chose the throttle by wire. The next step is, do you need a support bracket or do you already have one? We want a support bracket. The next step is, what kind of cover do we want? We want to go ahead and use the billet cover, and you notice as you click each one, it shows the different cover in the picture. So that's the black one, there's the contrast cut one, and there's the polished one. We want to go ahead and get the contrast cut one. We like that look the best. We're not going to get a rain sock. For an external breather system, we want to use a catch can, and we want it to get the premium catch can. It's a nicer look, and we want to go ahead and get the black catch can. But if you want to see more information on that, just scroll down in the Stage 1. We can go to this page here, which shows all the different kinds of breather systems. They all function the same. It's a matter of what look you want to have. Now choosing the type of tuner. No tuner, my bike is carbureted, Power Vision, the FP3 or an XID product. All three of them work good. The Power Vision is the most full featured, but a lot of people like to use the FP3 because it can be integrated in with their smartphone. So we're going to go ahead and choose the FP3, and then we put in the year of the bike. It's a 2012 Street Glide Special, and it's the 103 twin cam, which we see right here. And we add it to the cart, and we already have our zip code in. You can see that after we add it to the cart, and the price has changed as we put the different options in, the price has changed. And so it has gone to $734.89 with everything that we've chosen for an exceptional stage 1. We have a zip code in there, and we're going to choose UPS ground $34.39, update the total. And while it's doing that, we're going to go back and look and just double check and make sure that everything that we chose is showing up in here. So we wanted to keep the stock exhaust and add the TTIs for dual slip-ons or throttle by wire. We want a support bracket. We want the billet cover with the 606 with the contrast cut faceplate. We want the hose and catch can external breather system with the black finish. And we want the FP3, and we've said it's for a 2012 Street Glide Special with a 103 twin cam in it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to order a stage 1 that will make a difference. If you like this video, found it useful, please share it with your friends. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, we'd appreciate it if you would. Click the notification bell so when we come out with a new video, you'll get notified of it. Appreciate you watching. Y'all have a safe day out there.